Underground or buried utility line or service line coverage is a coverage in the event you need to dig up your front yard to repair or replace your sewer pipe, your water line, or any other underground exterior utilities you may have on your property. Now, 4 years ago, we did a video announcing this coverage to the insurance industry, and we will link that somewhere up here for your reference. We were very excited 4 years ago when this coverage came out because this coverage was going to help property owners avoid an unforeseen circumstance where they're going to have to pay thousands of dollars to potentially fix something that they really have no control over. The problem back then was there wasn't a lot of options, there wasn't a lot of insurance carriers that had the coverage limit here in New York, and there was other stipulations that made it a little difficult for everybody to be able to get this coverage. A lot's changed in 4 years, and it makes it a lot easier for all homeowners to have an option to get this coverage. Hey guys, I'm Mike Crowley, owner at the Crowley Insurance Agency, where we make insurance easy with honesty and common sense. We think that every homeowner should look to add this coverage, especially if your house is 25 years and older. Unlike other coverages that are on your home insurance policy, the underground service line coverage does not have an exclusion for wear and tear, which means an age of your sewer pipe does not come into play whether or not the insurance company is going to pay to replace it. If it's just old and breaks, is still something that would fall under this coverage, which is great for anybody that especially has an older property. The coverage will pay for the excavation of your yard. It'll pay the reasonable expenses for the pipe or whatever, utility is damaged. Now, each insurance company may have different limits or options of coverage under this coverage form. It usually ranges from $10,000 in coverage up to $20,000 in coverage, depending on the insurance company. Now, we mentioned that this coverage came out at least 4 years ago, so in those 4 years, we have seen a number of claims to get a good idea of what the cost would be for you if you didn't have the coverage and what the cost to the insurance company is going to be if this happens to you. During that time, on the low end, the lowest we've seen was $4,500, and on the high side, it was $15,000, with the majority of the claims ranging between $6,000 and $9,000. We encourage you to look close at your home insurance policy to see if you have this coverage. And if you don't, reach out to your agent, reach out to us at Crowley Insurance to review to see if this coverage is available to you and what it costs specific for your property. The team at Crowley Insurance would be glad to put together options for you, breaking down the coverages you should have and what the best options available are. If there's anything else we can help you with, please let us know. We appreciate you watching, and we look forward to talking to you soon.